in today's video, we are going to talk about if you are falling from the sky, here's the reason why you're probably going to die before you even touch the ground. But to do that, we're going to need to learn a new concept. That concept is air pressure. It's where the air gets tighter and where you get more and more pressure on you until you go, and then you go like, and yeah, the air pressure makes you die, and you're like, and you are literally like,
no, God! No, God, please, no!
And yeah, basically, that's air pressure. It literally goes like, makes you go.
FBI, open up!